Good morning, students. Hope all of you well. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic: factors which promoted the sense of nationalism in the Indians. Look, in your chapter, in your class, okay, chapter name Nationalism, Rise of Nationalism in India. So, in this chapter, we have discussed various important aspects which are related with nationalism, main rise of nationalism. So, in this video, we are going to discuss very important some points, those who are the related behind the rise of nationalism. First, United States. First, United struggle. Look, United struggle. Different religious groups and communities united struggle against the British rule. Look, think about our nation. Okay, there is a diversity, huge diversity in our nation. Okay, and religious diversity, cultural diversity. There's a huge diversity all over India. So, this is the main beauty of Indian freedom struggle, that all Indian communities, whether this is Muslim or Hindu, Sikh, Indian Christian, and another part of India, like another culture like Punjabi, Maharashtrian, Bengalis, all type of. I mean to say that there is, yes, although there is a huge differences and differences between communities and culture, but they unitedly stand against the British rule and they unitedly struggle against the British. So unitedly struggle is very important point and very important things in those days. Mainly unitedly struggle is another important feature of Indian nationalism and behind the rise of nationalism. Next, cultural progress. Cultural progress, United, look, Indian culture, we all know India is a huge big country, okay, and there is a huge cultural diversity, okay. So cultural diversity gives us such type of idea that we are created sense that we are Indians and this is our culture, this is our country, and this cultural progress and cultural view give us the power to fight against Indians. History, folk roles, songs, symbol, these are the very important points of cultural things. Like if you listen, okay, some song, important song, those who are very inspired, okay, like Vande Mataram, okay, this is very Vande Mataram, Sujalam Supalam, Malaja Sitaram, this is our national song, and this is very important song for freedom fighters. They are inspired by this song. Symbols. Think about charka. Okay, this is very important national symbol. So, cultural diversity and cultural progress play important role in rise of nationalism. Next, common identity. Very important point, common identity. First of all, think about 1857. 1857 is the year of Sipahi Unity. Okay, think when 1857 Sipahi Unity occurred in this nation. Where happened? Mainly UP and Bihar. Okay, that means not all Indians are joined in 1857 revolt. But later, the common identity, because common identity spread all over India. That things, I mean to say that if you common identity, think Anandamat, created by author was Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. In Anandamat, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay first give the visual idea of Bharat Mata. Okay, Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata. And later, Abandendranath Tagore created the picture of Bharat Mata. Always remember, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay first give the idea of Bharat Mata image, and later Abandendranath Tagore created the image of Bharat Mata. But Bharat Mata and others important things, okay, create the common identity. That means the printing of Bharat Mata was commonly identified as motherland and inspire the people equally. That means Bharat Mata Indians. Think about chapter 1. What is the role of Germany and Marigny? Okay, Germany and Marigny both are the symbol of Germany and France. Okay, like this, Bharat Mata was the symbol of India. Okay, so Bharat Mata inspired all over Indians and those who are freedom strugglers and those who are the leader of Congress. They inspired by Bharat Mata and they inspired by same identity. What is this? We are Indians and we are struggled for our freedom, our nation freedom. So common identity play an important role. Next one, okay, next culture, tradition. Leaders. Look, leaders, Indian national leaders play very important role. Like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru as a feeling of nationalism through the motivation speeches and political activities. Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Okay, these are the important leaders who give huge motivational speech, and this type of motivational speech motivated in common people, inspired common people who are joined with mass movement, and this type of motivational speech inspired people and spread all over the nationality. That means leaders play an important role behind the rise of nationalism. And next point, tradition. Revival of Indian culture. Okay, revival of Indian culture. So student, revival of Indian culture, that means revival the folk roles through the folk songs, legend help, promoting the tradition culture and the restore of sense of pride in the past history and culture. Look, firstly, Indian culture, we belong to a huge nation and our culture is too much big. I mean to say that the Indian culture, Indian heritage is too much ancient and too much big than British. Okay, so Indian culture and Indian songs inspired people. Okay, look, those who were the freedom fighter, they always follow Lord Sri Krishna and Lord Sri Krishna's slok. I mean to say that they follow the Gita sloks. Okay, so Indian tradition, Indian culture, Indian folk role, Indian history, Indian land. Okay, these are play an important role behind the spread of Indian nationalism. So students, these are the important points those who are play an important role behind the promoting the sense of nationalism among the Indians. So students, I think this video help you in your study, and if you have any question, then you can ask me. Thank you.